This is an overview of new features in VTube-LASER version 1.87. The first new feature is a redesign of our project load window, which we call Quick Load. Sometimes the window's open dialog can use very small text that is hard for some users to read. This new Quick Load feature provides a way to see large, easy-to-read file names with a search box feature that allows users to drill down into thousands of parts quickly. To search, you type the first few starting characters of the file name in the search box. Select the file and then press the load button. Or you can clear the search box to see all of the files. The most significant change to VTube version 1.87 is the new feature called Uniscan. Previous versions could only scan by taking two groups of stripes in each straight, which we called multi-scanning. Many customers use this feature with a small number of stripes in two short burst scans for each straight. Uniscan, however, can measure each straight with just one sweep. This makes it more practical to scan a high number of stripes quickly along the entire straight, one time per straight. For critical low-tolerance applications, we found that this can increase repeatability, especially when there is deformation in the tube cylinder. With this new version, you can even uniscan with up to 100 stripes of data for each straight, and even limit the number of scanned stripes at any time with the red button. Another new feature is the automatic remeasure when cylinder fit errors occur. This means that users no longer have to reach for a mouse in the middle of measuring. They hear the unique sound and then they follow the instruction in the guide box at the top of the screen. We've observed that this decreases stress on the user and speeds up the measurements significantly. We've also added a new cylinder laser spike filter, which detects and removes any point spikes in the stripe data. This is especially significant for points scanned from highly reflective material at the center of the stripe where the tube is nearest the scanner camera. By detecting and removing these spikes before they are pumped into the cylinder calculation engine, the cylinder calculations become more accurate. To use Uniscan to its fullest potential, we recommend that you increase the number of stripes that VTube will collect in each cylinder. Then set the separation filter for cylinder stripes to distance, and be sure the distance is set to the equivalent of 1 millimeter or higher. This concludes the overview for VTube-LASER version 1.87.